I can't be defeating those negative thoughts if I don't put good things on it. Can you imagine if I'm watching dirty videos, or if I am reading gossip, is reading negative news about the negative things that go on in the world? I'm not saying that we should be ignoring the negative things that happen in the world, such as war, killing, robbery, politics, etc. I'm not saying we should ignore that. Of course, we should be aware of it, but we don't have to put all the information in our head so we can wake up all negative about how the world is destroying. Instead of that, we can put a lot of good energy on the good things that other people are doing. How moms get up, wake up, go to work, and feed their family. How people are fighting against racism. How people are fighting against war. We can put that information in our head. We can start feeding ourselves good information about how we can change our life, how we can start controlling our thoughts, how we can defeat depression, how we can get in shape. There is a lot of topics, positive topics that you can start reading about.